Health is sustained not a single choice but is the wise balance between the prevention and treatment. However, the scientific evidence clearly establishes that lifestyle management forms the primary foundation of good health, while medicine serves as supportive and often essential intervention when disease occurs. In modern medical understanding, the rise of non-communicable diseases such as the type 2 diabetic, hypertension, cardiovascular vascular disorder is strongly linked to sedentary habits, poor dietary patterns, chronic stress, inadequate sleep. According to the World Health Organization, a substantial proportion of these diseases can be prevented through the simple but consistent lifestyle modification, including balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and avoidable harmful substances like tobacco, excessive alcohol, demonstrated that the body possessiveness the inherent capacity for regulation and healing, which is the strengthened through the disciplined living rather than constant pharma, pharmacological dependence. Medicine, on the other hand, represent one of the greatest achievement of the modern sciences that there is indispensable in many situations. Acute infections, severe injuries, chronic conditions often require pharmacological intervention. Drugs such as the metformin or antihypertensive agents help manage the disease progression and prevent complication. In such cases, rejecting medicine in favor of lifestyle alone would be both impractical and dangerous. However, the over reliance on the medicine for the minor ailment or such as the substantive of healthy living can lead to untenable consequences, including side effect, drug resistance, and neglect the root cause. Medicine generally addresses symptoms of biochemical imbalances, but they rarely eliminate the underlying behavioral and environmental triggers of disease. Therefore, the most rational and evidence-based the approach is integrative rather than the oppositional. Lifestyle practices such as the regular walking, balanced diet, and stress management should be regarded as the first line of defense, forming the preventive shield against the disease. Medicine should be used judicially under the medicinal supervision and the prevention alone the sufficient. In essence, the lifestyle sustains the health while medicine restore it when disrupted. A society prioritizes prevention not only reduce the burden on healthcare system but only enhance the overall equality of life, productivity, longevity. Thus, the maintaining health requires a proactive commitment to disciplined living, supported but is replaced by the appropriate medical care. Thank you.